punch, punch. Coming forward, ready? Up! Good. Nice basket, palm facing up. Up! That's it. Up! Back more. There you go. Up! Good. Jasmine, when you finish your stance, I want you to make it a little bit wider, okay? That's good, right there. Up! 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 Don't lean forward. Alright, keep your back straight. Up! 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 Good. Make sure you get that thumb wrapped all the way underneath. There you go. Up! Take them punch, punch, upward block, palm heel block. Okay? I'll be back out by then. We'll split them so you can do it more complicated basis.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Backwards. Up.
The only thing on Jasmine, I want you to watch her stance. Make sure she widens it out a little. She has a tendency to make it too thick.
Yes, sir.
Other than that, she's doing fantastic.
Up. Up. Jasmine, back foot up. No, not you. Back foot up. Move it this way a little more. There we go. Up. 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 Jasmine, don't lean forward. Back straight. Good. Up. Up. Upward block. Going forward. Up. Jasmine, front foot over. Good. Just your front foot next time. Up. Good. Up. Up. Foot over. No, don't, not your entire body. When I tell you to move your front foot over, all you do is move that, pick that front foot and move it over. Otherwise, you're on what's called a tightrope. Your feet are too close together and you're wobbly. You feel like you're gonna fall. Up. What did we both forget to do? Up. 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 Backwards. Up. 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 Down to run. It's not a race. Okay? Don't have to be the first one done. Up. Up. Toes facing forward. Up. 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 Type this by the side, Ron. Good. Up. Palm heel block. Block. Good. Going forward. Up. Make sure that hand is away from our body. Up. 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 Up.
Kia!
Up.
Kia!
tight fist is just like this, with the thumb and everything. Up! 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 And away from the body. Up! 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 Palm heel strike. No, you're right. Don't say anything about switching feet. Going forward. Up! 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 Jasmine, make sure that thumb's on top. Make sure the thumb's on top. Good. Up! That's strike, remember. Up! Devon, take this by the side. Backwards. Up! Hands all the way out. Thumbs in. We don't want our thumbs sticking out, we want them in. Up! 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 Downward block. Up! Jasmine, what'd you forget to do? Good. Up! 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 What do we both forget to do? The prepare. Up! Up! Backwards. Up! You can do it. Up! There we go. Remember, toes face forward. Try to bend that front knee. Up! 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 Good. Do we know what a double punch is? Foot forward. Both hands out. Good. We're going to step, and then We're going to step, and then we're going to move the hands. Did I say step yet?
You
No.
just said step.
Step. Now, pull both hands back, take this by the side, punch. Step.
Kia! Kia!
Step.
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 Kia!
Good. Backwards. Step.
Kia!
Up.
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 Kia!
Very good. Hands front. Do not move.